Today's session we can solve exercise 3.2. So first question is given: the scores in mathematics test out of 25 of students is as follows: 19. Here these marks are out of 25. So 25, 23, 20, 9, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12 and 20. Find the mode and median of this data. Are they same? So we have to find, by help of this given data, mode and median. After getting mode and median, we have to compare each other. After comparing, if both are same or not, I have to say no. So we are arranging the given data in ascending order. Ascending means from small number to big number. So solution: arranging the given data in ascending order, which will be written in this, which is a small one, 5 is a small one, then 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19, 20, 20, 20, 20, 23, 24, 25 and 25. Here should know that what you mean by mode. Mode is the observation occurred the highest number of times. So in this, 20 is occurred more times. Therefore we can say that mode is equal to 20, and median is the middle observation. In this, total how many data is given? Check here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 data is given. So which is the eighth one? No, that is the middle observation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the middle observation. Here also you get this side 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this 20 is the middle observation. So which is the middle observation, that is known as a median. So median is the middle observation 20. So mode and median both are same. So you can say here yes, mode and median are the same of given observation. So next we can take second question. The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. So here 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10, 15. Find the mean, mode and median of this data. Are the three same? So here we have to find out mean, mode and median. So mean, we know that formula, sum of the observation divided by number of observation. So in this, the given observation are like follows, should be written in ascending order. Arranging the given data in ascending order: 6, 8, 10, 10, 15, 15, 15, 50, 80, 100, 120. So this given data should be take sum of all. So sum of observation: 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10, 15 plus 15 plus 15, 50 plus 80 plus 100 plus 120, divided by number of observation. Total 11 numbers are there, so number of observation is 11. So sum of numerators is 429 and the denominator is 11. So 11 3s are 33. In 42 you subtract 33, we get remain 9. So in unit place 9 is there, so 9 and 9 will be 99. So 11 9s are 99. So we can say here mode is observation occurred the highest number of times. So in this, 15 is occur 4 times, except that remaining only 2. Okay, so here we can take a mode as a 15, and then median. Here total 11 are there, which is the sixth one, that is the median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 15 is the middle in the given data. So middle observation is 15. It will be considered as a median, and then therefore mode and median are 15. So but mean is got 39. So you can say here, no, the mean and median and the mode are not same. Only mode and median are same but not mean. Okay, so then we can take third question. The weight in kg of 15 students of a class are 38, 42, 35, 37, 45, 50, 32, 43, 43, 40, 36, 38, 43, 38, 47. Find the mode and median of this data. Second question, is there more than one mode? So here we can take solution, arranging the given data in ascending order, which will be written as 32, 35, 36, 37, 38, 38, 38, 40, 42, 43, 43, 43, 45, 47, 50. So total 15 students are there. Their weight are given as follows. So mode is the observation occurred the highest number of times. Therefore here highest number of time 38 is given 3 times and 43 also given 3 times. So here we can write mode is equal to 38 and 43, both occurs 3 times. So both you have to consider as a mode. And then median, which is the middle observation, total are 15. So which is the 8th one, that is called as the median or middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 40 is the middle observation. So you can take as a median is 40. Then here second question is given, is there more than one mode? Yeah, here we got two modes, which is 38 and 43. So you can write here S, there are two modes. Next we can take a fourth question. Find the mode and median of the data, which are given 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13 and 14. So we arranging the given data in ascending order. Arranging the given data in ascending order, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 14, 16 and 19. So here mode is observation occurred the highest number of times, which is 14 here. 14 occurred 3 times comparing to others. This is a mode. So mode is the 14 and median is a middle observation. Here total we can see here 9 are there. So which is the 5th one, that is the middle one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 14 is the middle one. So you can write here median is the middle observation 14. Next last one, 5th one. Tell whether the statement is true or false. So first question is given, the mode is always one of the number in a data. That is true because in the given only we are finding the mode. So that is the one of the number in the data. So you can say here true. The mean is one of the number in a data. So mean is not a one of the number in the data, because to find out mean we use the formula sum of the data divided by number of the items. So it is false. Third one is the median is always one of the number in the data. So this is true because median means in the given observation which is the middle one. So it is true. And fourth one, the data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, 9 has mean 9. It is false because here when we adding this given data, the sum of data is 64, and if you divide from 8, we get 8 here. 8 8s are 64. So we get 8, but here they said mean is 9. So it is false. Thank you, students.